Hello and welcome to Willow Junction. Happy Monday morning. I'm going to be running some more trains on my layout, and with that, let's get started.
Well, time's getting hard and time's getting flat. And I told my baby I could ride track. Now I'm riding the rails across the country I roam. Well, my baby sits and cries alone. Oh! Now I'm a heavy load, it's a mighty hot burden, but it's all for my baby that I'm working. It's all for that girl that I left my home. Now forever I will roam. There goes that train, roll down the track. There goes that train, roll down the track. All right.
Well, folks, that'll do it for this episode of Willow Junction. If you liked my videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, please share my videos. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until next time, I thank you so much for watching. You guys all have a great day. Bye for now.